Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video, it is very beautiful. I bring for you beautiful video room decoration, so I hope you will like this video. So let's start the video without wasting any time. You can see for this picture, you can see the down floor, you can see the lights, and all in the up you can see the plant slides. This one you can see the swimming pool side, and you can see the film and all movie. You can see the lights, you can see beautiful lights and all good decoration lights. And this one you can see very beautiful. This one you can see the up roof, you can see the lines and all looking very beautiful, very good. The wall you can see, and the lamps you can see up, you can see the small lights and all looking very beautiful. This one you can see the up floor, you can see beautiful floor and all looking very good. And outside you can see the small plants and all good plants, beautiful plants. And the grass you can see light grass looking very beautiful. This one you can see the up top of the house, you can see house decor roof looking very beautiful. You can see the design, good design. And you can see this one also very beautiful. The candles, you can see the small plants, you can see the chair, you see beautiful chairs and all very good chairs. Decor, you can see the outside view also beautiful. And the next picture you can see beautiful the wall, you can see, and the roof you can see beautiful roof and all good decoration and all looking very beautiful, very good design and all. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the lights and the lamps, beautiful lamps in the car parking also. You can see beautiful car parking, good decoration. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the up lights and all beautiful lights, and the down you can see the Range Rover car, beautiful car you can park. And the wall decoration is very beautiful, glasses beautiful. And so also you can see a beautiful decoration. You can see the white color theme and all looking very beautiful, very good decoration, looking very good. And the car is also parking, beautiful decoration. So also you can see very beautiful place. You can see the beautiful decoration and all good decoration. The table of white color, and the chair you can see the grass, you can see beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the up window, you can see beautiful window and all looking very beautiful, very good. And the decoration is very beautiful. And you can see this one also the big house, beautiful house, and you can park your car also outside, beautiful. And the sides you can see flowers and all beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the roof, you can see the sides, it is, and the down you can see the floor, you can see wooden theme, and the chair also like olden times. This one also very beautiful. You can see the swimming pool there, small swimming pool, and here you can do sunrise, beautiful sunrise. And the outside view also you can take beautiful view. This one you can see the light, and inside the wall you can see the place where you can keep your any item, beautiful item you can keep. And this one you can see for decorating any room, you can see the rings and all beautiful rings and all good decoration, looking beautiful rings, good rings. And this one you can see the table, you can see the floor, you can see the box type floor, beautiful floor. And the lights and the lamps, you can see beautiful lamps, good looking lamps. And the plants you can see. So it's also a beautiful, a big house, you can park a car, also a beautiful place. So I hope if you like this video, so don't forget me to comment and press the bell icon, that I can bring for you a beautiful video that you will like. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Take care, goodbye.